Hey there, it's Emerson Unger coming to you from CES 2018, and we are here at PopSockets with Randy to talk about one of the coolest, great additions to your phone. Randy, what's new this year?
Yeah, well, first of all, if you're not familiar with our product, we make a grip and stand for the back of your phone. It's repositionable, removable. You can stick it on as many times as you like. It collapses so it's flat, goes in your pocket, expands, becomes a grip, and even a stand. New stuff, we have some great partnerships this year, tons of licensed properties, Transformers, My Little Pony, NBA, Harry Potter, Marvel, DC, whatever you're into, we have the styles for you. Lots of new materials coming out, premium finishes, really cool texture, so whatever style you're looking for, we have that product.
So, what's really great about this product is it really helps you hold your phone, right?
Oh yeah, absolutely. So, if you have trouble getting a good grip or, taking a photo with one hand, texting with one hand, this really helps you do that. You don't have to worry about anything. You have a secure hold.
Yeah, and you guys have a lot of new initiatives, right?
Oh yeah, absolutely. So you'll see little life changers as part of our messaging. It's our new tagline. It's going to become a bigger part of our brand. So one thing we believe in doing is making doodads for do good. So we're partnering with a lot of different communities like the Arthritis Foundation and Parkinson's disease causes to really solve research within their community. We're donating proceeds, we're donating products, and really engaging with those consumers, understanding their needs as we design new products.
With regards to the products, I know you got a lot of fun new stuff here. What will we be seeing in the upcoming years? Can you give us any top secrets?
Yeah, we're definitely going to become bigger players within just the mobile electronic accessory space. So expect to see more things to complement this product, ecosystems around it, and then even digital experiences. So we're more than just a widget company. We're a really 360 experience company. So expect a lot of interesting things on the horizon.
Ooh, I can't wait for it. Well, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching MUSE. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to see all of our upcoming videos.